If you manage a small or medium-sized company, you are well aware of how costly energy bills are. Your machines use a lot of electricity, and your heating and air conditioning costs continue to increase. You can change this. Invest in improving the energy efficiency of your company. Replace your equipment with more energy-efficient technologies. Insulate your buildings. Not sure where to start? You don't have the capital? Or maybe you're not convinced such an investment will pay off. Take advantage of POLSEFF 2. POLSEFF 2 is the second edition of a program that promotes energy efficiency investments among Polish small and medium-sized companies. The program is developed by the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development in partnership with the National Fund for Environmental Protection and Water Management and with the support of the European Union. POLSEFF 2 is a €200 million credit line program. The funds will be distributed by Polish banks as loans to small and medium-sized companies that invest in improving their energy efficiency. Now it's your turn. Take advantage of POLSEFF 2 and receive free expert advice on how to improve energy efficiency. Our engineers will assist you in optimizing your project, assessing the resulting energy savings, and preparing the necessary documentation. Once the investment has been approved by our engineers, you can apply for financing at a bank participating in the program. Once the investment is complete, you will receive an investment grant amounting to 10 or 15% of the total financing from the National Fund for Environmental Protection and Water Management. As a result, your energy costs will be reduced by at least 20% and by at least 30% in the case of building thermal modernization. The POLSEFF 2 program has two methods for product assessment and approval. The appropriate method depends on the type of investment and on its value. The first method, also described as assisted investments, is applied to technologically complex projects or projects valued at over €250,000. The second method, also known as LEME investments, involves replacing outdated technologies by using energy-efficient materials or equipment selected from the LEME list with a financing value up to €250,000. The LEME list contains materials and equipment that have been pre-approved for the program. You can find the list on www.polseff2.org. While the program is active, vendors and manufacturers can add new energy-efficient equipment and materials to the LEME list. POLSEFF has already financed more than 2,000 energy-efficient investments. These projects not only benefited the companies, but also the Polish economy and our environment. Polish companies have become more competitive by using new technologies and reducing their operating costs. As a result, their capacity, efficiency, and profits have increased. Check it out for yourself. Modernize your company today.
POLSEFF 2, Polish Sustainable Energy Financing Facility.
Supported by the European Union and the National Fund for Environmental Protection and Water Management. We support and finance energy efficiency improvements in your company.